We are finishing the game, and in this part we will implement a function that will check if the snake goes outside the game field or is there a self-intersection. Let's go straight to the isGameOver function, and we will take what we need from the state. It is snake and the size of the game field. So first here we want to take x and y from the head of the snake, and then we look if x is less than 0 or x is bigger than width, and same for y appropriately. And if this is the case, it means the snake went outside of the game field. And in this case we return true. Let's test this out. Bam! Every time we move outside, we appear at the center. So, okay. We test all combinations. Now let's go back to the function, and now we want to check the second case. The second case will only can happen when the length of the snake is bigger than 5. It's the only case when the snake can intersect itself. So here we take the head and the tail from the snake, and we using slice then reverse, because reverse mutates the initial array. So here we want to check if there is some segment in the tail that intersects with head segment. To do this, we first convert all the vectors to the segments and slice the part that we want to check, and then we go and find the segment that intersect with our head segment. So first we project head to the segment, and if this projected point is inside of the segment, we return false. Otherwise, we calculate the distance between projected point and the head, and if it's less than half of the cells, it means that intersection happened. Now let's go to a segment class where we will implement getProjectedPoint function. The important moment here is that the point that we project on the segment won't be necessary inside of the segment, because we project on the line that is made of this segment. And this function is pretty complicated, so I recommend you to go to the commit, copy this method and paste into your code. We won't stop on this because this is kind of outside of the scope of the course, and it's pretty much a bunch of formulas to find this vector. Now let's reload the browser and enjoy the game. Check out my app at increaser.org, designed to help you stay focused, make work done, keep progress, see if you give enough time to projects, and find unproductive patterns. By working with the app, you will build discipline and self-accountability that are required to succeed.